Multiple income funnel. Yep, this is day 2. If you're new to my channel, feel free to hit subscribe. Click that bell for notifications so you can be notified when I drop more videos like this one right here. My name is Jason Carter. In this video about multiple income funnel, I want to talk to you guys about traffic. Traffic is the bloodline of every business, and you know, with Mack's system, only thing that's really required of you to do is just drive massive amounts of traffic to the captive pages that he provides for you, and it comes with the automated follow-up with your leads once a day for you, therefore building a relationship with them. And once that relationship is built and they know, like, and trust the person that's sending the emails, which is Mack, because the system is about Mack. So since he's emailing them, then he's building that relationship with them on your behalf. For you spending your $49, you get to have him present this opportunity. You get to have him write these emails, not just any emails, but the emails that get the leads to convert into sales. So that's very important. So I'm running some traffic, you know, I'm doing some Bing ads. I did some Udemy ads as well, and I did some MLM leads.com ads, and the links to my traffic sources that I use will be below. Now, you know, I don't have a huge following. I don't have a huge email list or anything like that. So it's safe to say that when you see a lot of people that's having a success with this opportunity, it's simply because they have a following. They've been in the industry longer than you have, and they have the skill sets that you don't have. So don't let that discourage you when you see somebody else, you know, being successful and you're doing everything that you're told to do as far as sending traffic, getting leads, following up with the leads, just showing them the presentation. Don't let that get discouraged. Don't let yourself get discouraged once you don't start seeing the results. So the reason why I say that is because I've sent these leads, I spent money, but the name of the game is to keep on sending the leads until you can find out what your numbers are. So I've sent 49 leads and no one actually purchased the product. That's no big deal, simply because the name of the game is I need to send more traffic. And let's say, for example, I send 500 clicks, and out of the 500 clicks I get about 50, 60 leads. I know it's not good numbers, but let's say if I get 50, 60 leads, and out of the 60 leads that I got, one of them converted into a paid sign up on the front end, and that gives me $20. So after I get that $20, then on the back end, you know, Mack follows up with them with the email series, and that convert more of the leads that I sent. So the reason why I'm not discouraged is because I understand how the system works, and I want you to have the right mindset if you're looking into getting the multiple income funnel. So just because you get traffic, spend your money on traffic, you get these leads, doesn't mean that you're going to make money right away, because these are cold leads. This is cold traffic that you're basically sending, and so it's not warmed up yet. So once the email follow-up series start going out, then the chances of you making a sale becomes higher. I just wanted to throw that out there. So I've sent a total of 49 leads. On the 23rd is when I started sending my traffic. I got a small email list of like 950 inside of my get response, so I sent that traffic over. And you know, it's not very responsive as far as my email list is concerned. You know, I'm still figuring it out. Still figuring out how to have a responsive email list. Still figuring things out. So on the 23rd, I had 2 leads here from my own list, and then the 24th, 25th, 26th. So 23rd, 24th, 25th, and 6th. So I've been in 3 days. So this is day 3. This is my update on my 3rd day here with multiple income funnel. So let's just go over some of these links here. These are the capture pages right here, and the one that I've been using is this one. I like this one here, and I've also been using another one, which is this one here. I've been using this one as well. So let's take a look here. So 32 hits on this one, and I got 10 leads. I got 87 hits on this one, and I got 13 leads that came from that. So from this math here, 10 and 13, that's 23. So somewhere down the line, it's missing, you know, the rest, because I got over 49 leads, which is no big deal, you know. The statistics are off, but it's all good. Alright, so this is lead capture page number 3. I haven't used that one, but I am using these two at the top. So the reason why I like Mack's system is because he does all the telling and selling for you, so you really don't have to. All you got to do is just focus on sending traffic. So one of my traffic sources that I use is mlmleads.com, and below this video is a link. You can click that link. It'll take you to a page that looks like this, and all you got to do is watch this video. It's going to explain to you about the traffic generation strategy that they have, and it's also going to tell you about some of the problems that you face with having a system like Mack's, but you don't have people to view Mack's system and enter their name and email into it. You know, basically you're just going to have a system with no traffic, so you need this traffic. It's very important. Alright, the next thing I did was I bought traffic from my autopilot traffic, mlleads.com, and I bought traffic from a solo ad vendor and Udemy. Here's what I got. I got 100 clicks from that. This guy's name is Glenn. I set up tracking on my site here as far as in this funnel. As you see, it says Glenn, Glenn, Glenn. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 leads from Glenn. 8, 9 leads from Glenn. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So that's 16 leads from Glenn out of 100 clicks. So I got 16 leads from Glenn out of 100 clicks. I'm not going to try to do the math on that right now, but I will later. So I'm doing some Bing ads as well. This is the last page. So I got 1, 2, 3. That's 3 leads from Bing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10 leads from Bing that I'm running. So kind of upside down in that, you know, but just for one of these leads to convert will be powerful, you know, because I believe today I sent about I want to say I sent about 50 clicks, and it ran me about $45 or something like that from Bing, and pretty inexpensive, you know, to send that type of traffic and get these leads. So business opportunity seekers. All right, so yeah, that's pretty much it. You know, that's what I'm doing, and that's how I'm working this multiple income funnel. And I just wanted to come over here and just be transparent with you and let you see that, you know, I'm basically, you could say that I'm not a newbie, but you can say that I don't have a large list. I don't have a huge following. You know, I got Instagram, Facebook, and all that, but I really don't use that stuff to market these type of opportunities, simply because I don't want to have to go onto Facebook and, you know, message people randomly asking them how their day been, knowing I don't really care about how their day been, trying to build a relationship with them. You know, I don't really have time to do all of that. You know, would you be open to a side project if it didn't interfere with what you currently have going on? You know, I don't want to do that type of marketing. I just rather send traffic, let this funnel do what it does as far as doing all the telling and selling for me on my behalf, so I don't really have to be trying to explain this opportunity to 50, 60 people, or get them 50, 60 people to see this opportunity every day manually. I just rather pay for the traffic and send it and let the funnel do the rest. Alright, so with that being said, if you're interested in my income funnel and you're watching this video on YouTube, all you have to do is just click the link below in the description and it'll take you to one of these various capture pages. And I look forward to seeing you guys on the other side of money. Peace and blessings.